If you want to get started and get serious with AI, this is your PSA. Please get a Mac M1, 16 gigs of RAM, minimally. Do not get refurbished, for example. So our next tool that we're going to use is Warp. This is Warp. This is a free tool to allow you to manage multiple agents. So once you download Warp, it downloads just like any other software. I'm going to open it up here. Warp. It installs like any other software. It's super easy. Okay, so this is Warp. Now, Warp is terminal. Terminal, if you go, because I want to teach you guys what Mac is. If you press Command Spacebar, and type terminal, it's the same thing. That's basically what this is. It's just allows you, the difference between Warp and terminal is Warp allows you to have multiple tabs and organize everything, has a lot of better features so that you can access files and folders just like you normally do. You can open folders, which you can't do in terminal. So from here, we need to install Claude. So in order for you to install Claude, you go to Google and you type Claude terminal instructions. You're looking for Claude terminal instructions. Look at this statement. This statement right here starts with curl and ends with sh. This is pattern recognition. When developers go to install apps on their computer, Claude, Codex, Gemini, Hermes, they're all going to have a very similar pattern. It's going to have some curl statement and some sh at the end. Copy this. So he's now working. Cool. And he is now downloading and setting up Claude Code in terminal on your computer. And look how easy it installed. Very easy, right? So now if we type Claude now and press enter, that is how you open a program in terminal. You can type Claude, it could be Codex, it could be Gemini, it could be Hermes, it could be Herder. They're all one word commands. And when you install them and then type the one word of their name, it will open it up in that folder. When you start a Claude conversation, if you go /remote-control, this is dangerous because now, before I just started the Claude chat and I press enter, now it's going to give me remote control access to this session in my mobile phone. So now as I start working with Claude and now we're jamming, we're working on the computer and we're doing some projects. Hey, how's it going? Now I could continue the same conversation off my off the computer and on my mobile phone. So I could be at the beach hanging out. My computer's on at home 50 miles away, and then I can basically just remote control and do everything that I need for my computer. I could access files, I could access folders, I can upload stuff, I could do anything from here. So now here's the downside of that. You only get 36 agents that you could remote control on your phone. I know, sorry, there's limitations. You can only do 36 agents, but so be it. So from here, now with Claude, we need to unlock a secret menu because Claude comes stock. It's like getting a race car from the dealership and they put mufflers on it and they tone it down. And you're like, doesn't this thing have 1,000 horsepower and it only does like 200 out the gate? And you're like, wait a minute, I need something better. And so we need to unlock superpowers. And that's why we need /config. You're going to do /config, and then you're going to go down. I know it feels like those old school like video games when you guys used to hack Sega Genesis. Like, remember hacking the games with like those Game Sharks and the cartridges like that would go in? It's very similar to that. We are hacking Claude, giving them dangerous superpowers. You need two things that are true here. Dynamic workflows needs to be true. So when you use your arrows, there's no keys or no mouse. You have to use your arrows and keyboard in terminal. Go down to dynamic workflows and hit tab. See how it changes. And then go down to ultra code keyword trigger and then make that true. Now, once you enable those two things, we haven't even started working yet. This is how you set up your workflow before I even start writing a single line of code.